Given that a and b are integers and 5 plus 2 root 7 is a root of the polynomial, what is the value of b? And so x square minus ax plus b plus 2 root 7 equal to 0. The roots are 5 plus 2 root 7 and say alpha. Sum of the roots 5 plus 2 root 7 plus alpha is equal to a. Product of the roots 5 plus 2 root 7 into alpha is b plus 2 root 7. A is an integer, so is b. A is an integer, so this alpha should have a minus 2 root 7 element to it. Let's say alpha is k minus 2 root 7. Therefore, a will become 5 plus k. Right? 5 plus 2 root 7 into k minus 2 root 7 is b plus 2 root 7. Wonderful. Using this, let's try to find, we can find k or b and then simplify this. And so 5k plus 2k root 7 minus 10 root 7 minus 2 into 2 into root 7, 4 into 7, 28. Wonderful. So let's take the number part separately and the root 7 part separately because we know b is an integer. So b equals 5k minus 28. 5k, 2 into 2, 4, root 7 into root 7 is 7, 4 into 7, 28. And 2 root 7 is 2k root 7 minus 10 root 7. Or 12 root 7 is 2k root 7. The root 7 gets cancelled. 12 equals 2k or k is 6. B is 5k minus 28. K is 6. B is 30 minus 28, which is 2. Brilliant question. Sum of the roots we know, product of the roots we know. Sum of the roots is a, product of the roots is this. The sum of the roots does not have an irrational component, the plus 2 root 7 part. So the other root should be of the form some integer minus 2 root 7. Use that idea and then find b. Absolutely delightfully brilliant question.